What's up? Today is gonna be a bit scuffed because I'm gonna try out a couple of new things. And like we're gonna continue with the OBS Python stuff. And also, the first thing I'm gonna try out is streaming on TikTok as well. Because I got a notification there that said like, oh, you can stream. And then I was like, cool, give me my key for OBS. And then it said, nope, you gotta like download the weird TikTok live studio thing. Yeah, apparently like you need 1,000 followers for TikTok live to do it via OBS. I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm gonna try that out today, and let's hit live. And yeah, I think learning is the right category, right? I mean, gaming, chat and interview. I don't know. I think learn is the right category for like coding stuff. Looks good. Go live. Okay. I think we're live on TikTok as well now. I hope my internet can handle that. Okay, I think we are live on TikTok now. Very nice. So basically what I set this up to like basically just take my OBS virtual camera and like output that. So let me go on my second screen. Like in theory you should be basically the same thing on TikTok as you should see on what else? As you see on Twitch. Okay. Yeah, the software thingy is kind of weird. Like it seems quite cool, but like it is kind of slow to react. Like when you click settings, then it like takes 10 seconds or something to actually open up the settings. Anyways, I should probably also open up like Task Manager to like see how much my PC does not like that. Because I also like planned on programming something today that my PC, that I already know that my PC absolutely doesn't like. So yeah, let's see how that will go. Now, first thing I wanted to continue was what we did last time around. Also, I just realized I don't have, I set the audio thing to like hide the music on TikTok side, but I don't need to do that because I don't play copyrighted music. So let me just fix that quickly. How do I change the audio? Can I not change the audio device while I'm live? Error settings? Oh, I can. Should be this one. So now, hi TikTok, you should now be able to hear music as well. Cool. Yeah, so okay, what we're gonna do today is like coding a bit of stuff. For example, like you see that white square up there. If you are in Twitch chat, doesn't work unfortunately with TikTok because they don't have a chat API. If you're in Twitch chat, you can like use a couple of different commands. Here are some of them. Like if you write !playground, then you can like, you get a Google Docs sheet that has all of them in there and like a description of what they're doing. Yeah, basically what this one is like kind of the Reddit r/place thing. So like you write !place and then like an X coordinate, a Y coordinate, and the color, and then you place a pixel there. And that's all there is to that. So, yeah, we have quite a few of those in here, and I also have quite some other stuff going on in my streams. So, and last time around, I tried to like merge all of that into like one thing, which I think I did in here. Yes, convert everything, which is not in my scripts here. So let me just add that quickly. And the idea was that then like that creates sort of like website thingy where I can then like click which features I want to like have enabled and which I don't want to have enabled. Also, I just realized that I don't have my Twitch stream open anywhere to like see if everything's working. So let me just fix that real quick. Okay, one thing that is nicer about like the TikTok about the TikTok streaming program compared to OBS, I can have the pop-out chat and like have it streaming sort of transparent and always on top, which is amazing. So I just have that like over my OBS window now, so I see like both chats at the same time, which is great. So where was I? Does this count as a sidetrack thingy for the counter? Yeah, probably. Combining everything. So that would now open something up. OBS control panel. Right. So, does things. Do not use in the production development. Don't worry, we are literally testing on live right now. So, yeah, so that was the idea. I forgot what this does, but it already opens up the like website thingy, so I can now like add buttons, I guess. It should actually have buttons. Wait, are the buttons are in here? Okay. Right. Okay. It's slowly coming back to me. Like maybe I shouldn't like wait 2 weeks between streams. Yeah, because then I'll forget what everything I did does. But yeah, basically the idea was as a test I like ran 2 of these. I don't know, I don't remember why I wanted 2 of them. But like basically, I should also open Paint. So dark mode enabled. There we go. So the idea was I have like the website with like buttons on them, and like each of those buttons, oh my god, I can't draw squares, like opens up some other program, and like one of them just creates another website for testing purposes, I think was the reason, or I had an actual reason for it. I don't remember. But basically where we were with that was that I wanted it to like be an actual like website button rather than like a button in OBS. And I think I used DeepSeek to do that. Yes, I think that is the thingy, right? Now, do we go through that real quick? What does that do? This OBS Python thing imports the Flask server thing. Right, and something about scenes. Current scene. What do I use it for? Scene change to. Oh, right. So like if I think this will like log whenever I change scenes. Real quick. Chat scene. That scene. Yeah. Okay. That's cool. I should have read like what any of that does. Yeah. Add pool, toggle, enable secondary server. That was this thing. Oh wait, that's not what I meant to do. So that's that thing, and the add button is click me. Which, wait, what does that do? What happens if I click this button? This is a function call. Okay, right. That said, we want that on a website button, not an OBS button. I feel like we had that before. We might have regressed there a little bit. Button click. Okay, no, that's also OBS button. Okay, so I might just ask it to like move the button and the check thingy. Can you move the button and check box from OBS to be on the Flask website thingy. So let's see if DeepSeek can handle that. Also later on, after this, we will do something with Godot. I'll not give away what yet. It will be like game making related, but like we won't be making a game today. I'm not giving everything away. I have to keep watching for that, unfortunately. So, now I should probably wait. Where is the Flask server even? Ah, here. Now, what does that do? I have actually no idea what like Flask actually does. Like basically it hosts like websites in like using Python, as much as I understand, but like don't really know what that does. Set up roots, get HTML template. So that's basically an HTML site. Start. Starting a separate thread. Opens the web thingy. Thing. So how is that coming along? Okay. How confident are we that DeepSeek is doing everything correct? Not very, but I'm gonna run it anyways. So, that is way that is way shorter. Why is it shorter? Let me just, before I just blindly copy paste that, just safety check. So far, so the same. And toggle changed. That's okay. Just removes that part. Load does all the same things. Okay, so I just like basically removes that because it doesn't handle the toggle. Also in the script properties, it removes those two things. Okay, so that shouldn't crash my stuff, hopefully. Copy, paste, and reload. Right, but before I reload it, I wanna go and in here, open. Where am I doing that? Also, what the fuck is that? Let me just comment that out so I don't like open up 5 different programs every time I reload. And reload. Now that opened both of them at the same time. And there is another button in here. That doesn't seem like it does what I wanted it to do. Okay, that's not it. Oh, right. I remember. The problem was that it doesn't re-import the thing, I think. Right, we had that problem last time at the end. So basically what happened is we made a change in the Flask server, but the OBS Python thing like still has the old version of it in there. Okay, yeah, I guess time to ask DeepSeek how to fix that. Okay, so OBS does, so when I make changes in the Flask file, OBS doesn't re-import them when I reload. How can I fix that? So, right, it's slowly coming back to me what the problem was last time around. problem was like whenever like okay, basically we have this file which like imports this other file and then like basically does stuff from that file. But like because the way OBS Python integration works, this like always this like imports the thing once and then like saves it. So like if I make changes here, it doesn't matter because like it just uses the thing it saved before. So basically I'm gonna check if I can remove that. Modify the OBS script. Oh, that is already in here. Wait, let me just check something real quick. Like, what's the text in here? OBS control panel. I'm just checking if I'm correct with what I'm saying there. Like, if I reload that, it will still say control panel. Yes. So even if I make changes that are very obvious to see, it does not in fact change anything, which is not great. So okay, PyCache thingy. That looks interesting and like it could be a solution for the problem. Deleting the PyCache thing. Now I just need to figure out where that is. Like it says it is in the script thingy. Oh, PyCache. There it is. Delete it. Now, if I go and clear that. I don't know why I cleared that. I just need to reload. I'm not... Wait, I don't know if it like updated or not. Move the PyCache. Reload here. Nope, does not update. So the force reload isn't working. Now I tried the PyCache thing, but I'm not sure which one where that should be. The script location or the Python interpreter location. Like it says script location and like there is this folder in here. But like if I delete it, it doesn't do the thing. It should do the thing, but it doesn't. Not great. Let me just check if it's still working up here. Yeah, looks like it. So far everything has been going better than expected. Which is great, because later on I will do something that has a high likelihood of like crashing stuff. Let's just say it like that. So, script audio being that. Oh yes, script. That's not it. Can I like look what's in here? Probably not, right? Yeah, no. 1919. Okay. Can you just change the text in the Flask file so I can see whether or not it is correctly re-imported? So, other one.
Let's go.
Hey, Potato, welcome. Yeah, I'm slowly remembering what I
Time
did.
to crash that THA.
Yeah. I'm slowly remembering what I did last time and like what the problems were, and I like basically even before remembering what the problem was, I ran into the same problem again, which is that like the Flask server isn't being re-imported. I think. So what I did was I wanted to move, like we had a button in the OBS script thingy, like over here. But like we want it on the website thingy. And so I'm trying to move that, but like it does not do the thing. Flask. Wait, I should probably put it over here. Reload. Didn't change anything. Doesn't update. Also reload the module. We already have that in there. We already did that. Can't particularly update restart OBS. Wait, if I remove that and then okay, let's just try stuff. Combining everything. Okay, it didn't open both. I think that's good. Probably. Wait, if I now go here. Okay, let me just... Wait, let me try that again. If I now remove it, if I clear the... Okay, it doesn't... Wait. Why did it not have a PyCache thing? Oh, also why is there a PyCache here? Oh, okay, that's from Minesweeper. Interesting. Re-import. I think that fixed it. Nope. Still says control. Okay, that's confusing me more now. Why? Why is it only opening the one thing now, but not the other one? So like it changed something. Okay, wait. Let me inspect element and like see if there should be something in here. Title is wrong. I am confused. How is this possible? Like now it did update, but like it doesn't fully update? I am confused. Let's try that thing again. Okay, let's, let's just try the whole thing again. Reset everything. Finding everything. That still looks exactly like before. Huh? What? Okay, wait. If I go back... That's the version where we had the wrong checkbox. It opens that one. And it opens that one as well. Okay. Okay, wait. So like re-adding it was needed in order for like... No, wait. Why did it ever open both of them? Like at the same time? What? Wait. This is never changed. Wait, what? Should there be a button? Button on click, button clicked? Wait. So like that was the first change we did today. Let's revert to this. What does it do? On click, button click. And a request to the server when the button is clicked. Batch, button click. What the hell is going on? Okay, let me move back here in the conversation and ask it. Wait. Ask web interface. And a post request to toggle to update its state. So that's just terrible. Okay. Let me just regenerate that. Maybe it'll fix something. So basically what happened here is I have no idea. Like it... Okay, basically it just hallucinated. Like it sends a message to the server to like... That like the button has been clicked. But like, number one, there is no button. And number two, the server doesn't handle messages. So let's try it again. What does it do? So far, nothing that seems interesting. Toggle switch example. Okay, wait, that is a toggle switch that should be there. Pretty sure that's how you write the toggle switch into HTML. Let me copy that. On untoggle changed. Okay, so that one actually... Wait, does it... Okay, I think that just left the thing. I'll just copy paste it. What could go wrong? What could go wrong? OBS control panel. So there is no button in here. Nope. There's also no buttons over here. And toggle change takes one positional argument, but 3 were given. Interesting. Ooh. And that checked. If I try to run it with this old version. Nope. But we don't get so many errors there. Which is weird. Okay, let's try removing everything once again to make sure that like it's not doing weird shit. Put that to the newest version just because. And add it again. There is still no button in here. Wait, if I go... If I go and just copy that HTML thing and throw it into a new HTML file, I should be able to check if it works. Wait, test.html. Not sure if that works. Okay, so that's what's supposed to be in there. Which actually kind of looks like what I want it to be. Except why is it like not showing up on... I think it's just a like reloading thing. I think it is actually still not being reloaded properly. Because that looks okay. Let's just check if it is actually reloading the Flask server. Or like at least reloading it according to what it's saying. Unload it, load it. Okay, that's too many things. Reloading Flask server. Okay, so it is doing that thing. Okay, so I don't know, I guess I'll just ask it if there's like a way to like make this more urgent or something. This part doesn't seem to actually reload the thing. Re-import the current file. Can you make it do that? Okay. That looks more promising. But... Wait, does it use input lib for anything then? I don't know. I'm just... Try that. Accept. And... Well, nope. So, let's see if that fixes all of our problems now. Does not look like it. Yes. So let's just check. It is actually doing that. It is doing that. Not properly though. Not properly apparently. So I would assume that this now lands in the accept part. Well, no, yeah, it does. Okay, so it is actually being deleted. But still... Not fully. It's... Or do we have like... Oh... Oh. Ah. That's why the message... Like why the title wasn't updated. Interesting. Let me just check something really quick. Title, okay, still isn't being updated. Never mind. So why is it not re-importing? It's... What does the thingy do? Background color message. What are we using the message for? Just for header 1. Not for the title. So if I change the title, it should change the title. But if I do that, it should just like change the display thing. Oh, wait, not even the display thing. Also not header 1. What? How does it not change anything? What? That's not right. Okay, let me do this one. Move everything that I can remove, re-import it. Still doesn't change anything. What the fuck? Okay, so that's not right. Am I in the wrong file here? No, wait, I am not, because like it does print that thing. I am so confused. Wait. What? Nope. Okay, this does not make sense. What 5,000? What 5,000? Okay. Let's say 5,003 here. Like, does it just ignore all of that? Somehow? What? Huh? What? So I changed the port and suddenly all of the changes are there?
LOL. Maybe the server isn't closing?
Yeah, I think the server isn't closed. But like, wait, if I do that, reload. The server is indeed not closing.
Classic web dev bullcrap.
Okay, several things. One, indeed the server wasn't closing. Two, how do I close the server? Because like the script that's hosting the server is not running. Also I like clicked into my task manager, so now like everything is frozen. Whoops. Windows task manager, what the fuck? Yeah.
LMAO, good point. Task
Oh my God.
manager. Wild.
But like now I think those are, I'm kind of scared closing something from OBS in Task Manager while I'm streaming. But I think OBS browser page would probably be that. Okay, wait.
Do it.
Okay, wait. I have 10 of them open right now. So if I reload the script, it should become 11. But then I know... And I know that it's that. It is still 10. But if I reload the script on a different port... And just to be safe...
Well, maybe 11, unless it's per port.
It's still 10. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna ignore that for now. We'll write it down for later. Close server.
Row flow.
Actually, let's ask the thingy to like close the server again. But like it does on unload, it should stop it. So but like it doesn't apparently. If I go on 5001, I think is the green one. Yeah. Okay, let's ask DeepSeek what it says. Okay, so I figured out problem when I changed the port. All of my changes suddenly appeared. Also, the old port still has everything it had on it. So it seems the server isn't being closed properly. I'll fix. God damn. How long did this fucking take to figure that one out? Also such a fucking stupid one. Okay, so I'm gonna test if it can now figure it out. If it can't, then I'll just like increment the port number every time I run it for now and like fix it some other time. Yeah. Let's see. Also, I like debugged that thing so long now that I forgot what the like switch actually does. Button clicked on the thingy. Okay, so it does things. It is actually doing things. Doesn't have a built-in way to stop it gracefully. When you change the port, the old server is still running in the background because the thread hasn't been terminated properly.
Does the OBS plugin have lifecycle hooks like when it shuts down? Could make sure the server shuts down.
I don't know. I have no clue how it is doing stuff in the background. I'm just basically going off of vibes. Vibes and large language models. Using Werkzeug.serving.make server. What the fuck? That sounds made up.
Increment port by 1. Restart computer every couple thousand times. Easy code.
That's the plan. Yep. Mm-hmm.
You're hired to my company.
Great. I'll take any job I can get. In this economy. So, self.server, let's shut down. What is it even using that Werkzeug thingy for? Nothing.
True, never mind. They're not hiring. But at least you're close to their HQ in Lithuania.
Lithuania? I mean, border close, yeah. Same continent at least. Might be same time zone. Ah, probably not. I don't know. Which time zone is Lithuania in? Wait, let me Google
Closer
it.
than me, Omega lol.
Yeah. Lithuania time zone. 1 hour further than me. So not the same. How the fuck did you land a job in Lithuania when you're from the US? How does that work? Right, I was checking make server. Make server to create a server that can be stopped programmatically. Okay, so I feel like we don't have that imported, and I don't remember what happens when you try to run something with like non-imported thing. I think it's just an error message, but there is a small chance that the stream is gonna go offline for a couple seconds there. Yeah, I think it just throws an error. Oh. Okay, interesting. If I now... Okay, okay. Let's say green. Now reload. Nope. Not working. Did throw that in here, right? Yeah. So if I do this, reload here, like I open it in another tab. Nope, still here. Okay. Yeah, let's just worry about that some other time. Or like, let's do some actual programming. And with programming, I mean googling it instead of asking an LLM. Flask stop server. Like stop app run. How to stop a Flask server? Push and hold for 10 seconds on your computer, power button. Ah, amazing. Ah, love it.
LOL.
Amazing.
Wow, that's too real.
Sudo reboot or sudo unplug from all. Okay. So that seems like it's not working the way I wanted it to work. Okay, shutdown server. That looks like it could work. Wait a second. If it's... Wait, it is running on a different thread, right? I can just kill the thread. I assume. Nope, it's not running on a different thread. Why is it not running on a different thread? Well, it's running on a different thread. Whoops. Running on a different thread here. Have that server thread. Start. Stop the Flask server. Doesn't have a built-in thing to stop. Okay. I think that's that thing. We rely on the daemon thread. Hey, thanks for the like on the TikTok live. We rely on the daemon thread to terminate the main when the main program exists. The only problem is even true. Wait, but it's not in a different thread, so why the fuck does it survive? Interesting. Can you shut the whole thread down and stop? I feel like that should do it. Like if we kill the thread, okay, there's like conflicting thing I'm thinking about.
Popping in for a second here, just send the thread an exception and it'll self-delete.
That could work.
Maybe hook some functions so it's predictable.
That could work. Thanks a lot. I will think about it. Like first I'm test if it's enough to like just kill the thread. But I'm not sure there because like here it's not on a separate thread. So like when that program should shut down, I would have assumed that it also shuts this one down. But that's a good idea. Like just throwing an error. Okay. Okay, first let me check if that works. Then that's the backup plan, like, basically. And to test that, I'm gonna like send it to a new port. So I can like reliably... What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait. Because I didn't click anything in TikTok Live Studio because I'm always in the same scene. It like threw me a fucking notification that I need to make a capture. What the fuck is that? Yeah, I'm sorry for like the ear rape.
What was that LMAO?
What the fuck? Okay, so I've been trying to like stream on TikTok as well. But like apparently you can stream on TikTok, but like only with the TikTok Live Studio app while you're below 1,000 followers. Like you can't do the OBS streaming to TikTok thing unless you have more than 1k followers. So I like installed that app and like tried that and just like set the output to be the OBS virtual camera, so I have the same thing. And apparently it just sent me a fucking notification because I didn't click anything in the app for 5 minutes. And like required me to make a capture and stuff. What the fuck? I'm so confused. Anyways, copy that. Looks good enough. Let's run it, see what happens. I did not edit here. Okay, 504. Whoops. Why does it... Wait. Why does it open the 504 one? Ah, 505. There we go. Okay, if I now swap it over to 506, let's do green. And reload that thing. Reload. Oh no, I killed OBS. No! Oh shit. Shit. No! Shit. See you in a second.
Oh, also IIRC OBS has a single Python context for all scripts, so be careful with that.
Yeah, I'll see you in a second in case you still hear me, because I think I just killed my OBS. Be right back. Hi, welcome. Welcome back. Welcome back, Twitch.
F5LUL.
Launch a second OBS instance
Yeah.
SMH.
That would make it significantly less interesting. Like, I have thought about that, but I thought it would be just funnier if I just stream. Okay, like last time I did this, I was like, okay, I'm gonna just stream until OBS crashes, and then I like managed to do the entire stream without crashing it. Yeah, and this time I was like, yeah, no, I actually want to do something afterwards. Yeah, and then I crashed it. Ah, shit. But like the timing was amazing. Just when you said it only has one thread. Yeah, I know. I have done that before, but like usually not live. Yeah, so that one doesn't do that. What if I run the server on a different thread and try to kill the thread from the main script? Okay, wait. Can you... If we put the Flask server in a separate thread in the OBS script, and then kill that thread in the unload function, put that shut it down. If so, please that. Just give it the thingy. Yeah. But like that was perfect timing. Couldn't have gone better. Like that, or like throwing an exception into the thread could also work. Also, like, how long was the Twitch stream still there? Were you able to hear when I said, well, fuck, it is gone, basically? Or did it like, did the stream go immediately, or did it just go when I like force killed OBS? Because like OBS went into like not responding, but like it's...
Until you pressed close program, it was
We heard it until the second time you said goodbye. I think when the box closed.
Okay, interesting. So like, so OBS sorta doesn't really have a problem with that, I guess, then? Or like the streaming part is not affected by it? Which is interesting.
Also it went to the F screen and never actually dropped stream.
Ah.
Says you're at 1 HR uptime.
Okay. That's good to know. Let's do threading in here now. Nope. Isn't that what just killed the stream, basically? That functionality? Wait.
Do you have a Git repo? I'll take a look,
nope.
LOL.
Nope, I don't. That's just like... We basically just threw all of that together in like a stream. And like, it's literally... Like, this chat is my Git repo, basically. Yeah, that's just like a quick thingy that I was testing and like playing around with. So like not really worth making a Git repo. But yeah, I should use Git more for a bunch of stuff. Wait, let me just go back here. What did we do there that crashed it? Wait, that's the Flask server. That doesn't look good. Does that look different? Server.shut down.
Probably joined a thread to a callback.
Yeah. Yeah, sounds about right. And that's also like kind of what that would basically result in a while true, if I'm not mistaken. And well, the OBS behavior is basically the same as when you accidentally leave a while true somewhere. So that could have been it. Self-server.shutdown. Okay, so that is using that backtrack. Why would you import things here? What the fuck? Yeah. Let's just keep it here. Or test. It's good enough for testing, I suppose. So. Let's just see if it crashes the stream again. Do I have the thing open anywhere? Nope, I do not. So. Let's see. Combining everything. 5006. So let's swap that to 5007. And reload. 5007. If I now go reload 5006, it is still there. Okay, so it doesn't shut it down, but at least it doesn't crash OBS. Which is progress, I suppose. I am very tempted to just like ignore that for now. Oops, wait, what did I just do? I pressed... I don't know. Yeah, I'ma just ignore that for now and fix it some other time. Got that. Toggle and then on button. Wait, where's the on button thingy? Button click. Ah, button clicked. Wait, if I now click that, it does show up in here, right? Yeah. Unknown script. Not a good thing if like OBS doesn't know where it's coming from. Okay. Like, when did I do things? Like, where did I start today? It was up here somewhere. Can you move the button? Okay, that here. The button doesn't seem to be hooked up to a function in the OBS script, and you just make on that and debug message and look it up. So, I mean, wait, the toggle is in here, I think, right? Oh no, wait, the toggle isn't hooked up either. Wait. Also, the toggle isn't hooked up to the OBS script. So let's see if that works. Now what I want ideally to be happening is that I like press like that thing and this script does something rather than this one. Because from this one, the idea is that this script is like the backbone of all the other ones. So like this script is just like opening the web interface, and, like gets all the commands back so it can like open other stuff as well. So let's see if we got a response here.
Are you doing IPC between scripts?
I don't know what that means, so probably not. What was IPC again? Like I've heard IPC before, but I don't remember what that means. Basically, I'm just like programming some weird shit and like not knowing what I'm doing most of the time.
Inter-process communication.
Don't think so. Like, okay, on this project, it's like mostly DeepSeek doing stuff. And I'm just telling it what to do and like debugging small things that I can like quickly see. And like then once like the skeleton is fully implemented, I'll just add stuff that I actually want in there. But like for now, the idea is basically tell DeepSeek to do all the work and then like hope it does it correctly. Wait, we're on thread 5000 and it is the correct thing. Oh, right. Because OBS crashed or the like other ones are gone as well. So that solved something. Right, and now if I toggle that, oh cool. Okay, yeah, that one isn't supposed to do anything. Button clicked from the web interface. Oh. Okay, that's very nice. So now that basically does exactly what I wanted to do. Not fully, but like good enough. So let me just demonstrate once again what it does. So when we open it up, it opens like a web interface. We have like a button. If I click the button, it detects that I clicked the button. There's a debug message from the OBS script. Debug, which is being done in here. How is that called? Wait. Button callback. Okay. Callback. Ah, okay, so that's how that is implemented. Nice. Very interesting. Yeah, so basically opens up that web interface. If I click that button, it just prints that I clicked the button for now. And if I click that, then it starts the second site up, and that for now is just the same site but in green. Which is very cool. And the idea is like now now basically I can, instead of just throwing up a second screen that looks the same but in green, like actually implement something. I forgot what I used the second thing for. But yeah. Basically you have like toggle switches to like turn on and off things is the idea. Because like currently I have like a script so that I can have like two different keyboards in front of me and one just does hotkeys. Like for example, increasing that count over there. Then I have like one script for the like AI voices thing, but that's not currently running because my PC has problems with that lately. Then I also have like this thing, like that whole server, but I think I will rewrite that whole thing in Python at some point or something like that. Yeah. basically I have way too many things that I have to open every time when I want to stream. So that was the idea behind that project, to like just, you know, have one script to rule them all. Yeah. But I think now that we have something that is vaguely working, I'm gonna take a quick break and then we'll do something different. Something else that I had planned for today. Okay. Give me a second. So just a quick like 4-minute break or something. I'm gonna just quickly head to the toilet and then I also have to like change some things. Be right back. That timer is way too short. Wait. I can change the timer. There we go.
Ultra mad.
There I am again. There I am again. Oh wait, fuck. I need to switch scenes, right? Like this. Am I? No, wait. Ah, there we go. Perfect. So, yeah. So, on to the next project. There was something else I prepared for. But actually, you know, kinda like this weird like square here down at the bottom, like it feels like way too small. Like I feel like very constrained in here in like everything I can do. Yeah, it feels almost like claustrophobic in here. So yeah, I might just need a little space here. I forgot which hotkey I said. Ah, yeah, I just need a little space. Oh wait, you don't see me anymore. Oh, sorry. Wait, just take a step back, like one step back from your monitor. Or like actually take a step back from your monitor. Ah, there we go. There I am. There I am. Yeah, that's way better. That's way better. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I made a thing in Godot. It is very bad. I might just be honest. It is not working well at all. Like, okay, it's I have no idea how synchronized it is with like
Poggers.
my mouth, but that's okay. I have no idea how synchronized it is, but like there's a shadow from the microphone because like the lamp is on the same thing. So
What is doing this?
that is a Godot thing. I can open it up on my screen, then you'll see it. Yeah, so the thing is, I've created like I have created like a 3D environment. First of all, I want to say this is kind of ripped off from Solomon Gumball, but like who like basically has a thing like this on his stream where he has like I don't know, just like check him out. I always forget what his Twitch name is. Wait, let me check that out quickly. So I can like do a shout out thing. It's this. Yeah, this is sort of ripped off from them, but slash shout out.
Never heard of him. PSH nope, never seen him ever. Never seen his viewer thing. Definitely don't follow or watch him.
Yeah, definitely not. But yeah.
Reminds me of the VR desktop environment somebody did on GitHub with Godot.
Yeah, I don't know. But like basically. Oh right. I forgot something. Yeah, so that's the idea. Like it's a Godot thing, and it's sort of ripped off from Solomon Gumball, who like did this but like way better. And the thing is, I think he uses I think he streams from Mac or something. And the thing in Godot is that like they have like webcam support built in, but only for Macs and Linux, because like Windows seems to be a bit weird about that, and like their implementation doesn't work on Windows. So I had to figure out how to like put my cam in here. So as you can see, there's a working implementation here, but as you can see over there on the screen where I wanted to show you some stuff, yeah, it is. The implementation isn't great because that's not actually what's on my screen right now. I like sneakily swapped it out for a screenshot from like yesterday or something. Yeah. But like in the interest of like showing you stuff, let me just quickly go here. Boom. That's yeah. That's what's actually on my screen right now. Yeah. So it's like a 3D environment thing, and like we have like a monitor here, we have a table. Like I tried to basically build my like setup that I have in Vienna. And like there is just like a floating screen for my webcam for now. And the thing is, my implementation is really not that great, because what it's doing, as you can see here, also it's only like sending 20 frames per second at the moment. And also, okay, my CPU is actually way chillier than I expected. I expected to like get close to the 100% there. But yeah, what is happening here is basically I'm taking the OBS virtual camera, or like I have an OBS scene where I have like my screen and everything in there. Wait, I can just quickly switch to it right now. So I have like this scene that I use for the virtual camera, and then I like that's what I did before, just like hid and unhid that. And then here I just capture Godot then, and the virtual camera is using that scene. Then I have a Python script, which I can show here, but like will be kind of tiny. Let me just oh my god, I need to like decrease the speed here. Which one is it? The left one, right? No, wait, it's not open. It's this one. It's this one that's behind my cam. Let me put that over here. Yeah. So I have this this code here that basically what it does is it takes my OBS virtual camera, encodes it, and sends it via TCP to like some port. Then what Godot does is it listens to the port and decodes the image basically. Sounds quite basic, was very painful to integrate. And also very not good performance. Very bad performance. Because like the amount of data you can send per message in like TCP or UDP is like 65,000 bits or something like that. And like one image has like 6 million bits. Yeah. So you have to send like, and then like if you have 30 frames per second, then like yeah, it's not a great solution. And the idea, like my ideal vision was that I have like one OBS instance that is just there for the virtual camera, that has like an 8K canvas or something and like 10 different screens. And then I can like implement them, like put like my webcam is one screen, I put that on one screen and the Godot thingy. My actual screen is one thingy that I can put on like the screen. And like basically the idea was to have like 8 of them or something. And all of them with like 1080 30. But that's not gonna be possible with the implementation I have right now. So there's like one immediate thing that I want to change, which is basically instead of having like basically what you're seeing right now as the scene. Also, I don't know if like TikTok is even seeing that. Yeah, TikTok is seeing what Twitch is seeing as well. So all good. Yeah. So the first idea is that like instead of sending like this as one frame, I like split it up into like 4 basically, and have like that thing like where my cam right now is, that like take up a quarter of the screen, then my actual screen take up a quarter of it, and then like split it back up in Godot. So that's one of the ideas. Like that's basically the first thing I'm gonna do. Also there's like several other problems with that, but I will touch on that later. Like for example, like you're not seeing 1080p right now, you're just seeing however big the preview window is. And that is right now like 1169 times 658, which is really a weird thing. But like, yeah, you're just receiving that. And I like yesterday I tried to like fix that to like 1080p, but like it doesn't seem to be possible. Or like I didn't manage to do it yesterday. Maybe I'll take a shot at it again later or something. Yeah. So basically I'll have to like improve a lot of things. Yeah, and also this thing here is just a screenshot I took yesterday. Like it's here. Yesterday at 10. Sorry to break the illusion. I know everybody thought that was real. Yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is yeah, change the OBS virtual camera into quadrants and then like split them up in Godot. Now, wait, which version of the script am I using? V6. Okay, let me duplicate that. Duplicate. Multicam beaming. And attach that. Attach the other one. Script. Multicam streaming. There we go. So, bar create full array, or like let's just say 2 2. So basically the idea is once we have the full image, I wanna, like here is what we are doing if we have the full image. We just decode the image, and now I have to find a way to like split it up into 4. Okay, I think splitting it up into 2 will be easy for like a first test. Current frame equal to that. Our part 1 equal to current frame. Wait, how do I split it into slice and then image size? Wait, what? Divided by 2. So what I'm thinking, okay, I'll need to Google Godot slicing. Godot array slicing. Slice. Begin and okay. Dot slice. Wait, is it that? Zero and then wait, array size. Oh wait, image size divided by 2, something like that, and then our 2 takes that as the beginning and -1 as the end. I would assume that does what I think it does. I don't know. Let's try. That'll be half an image. So my idea is basically it takes then half the bits, puts it into one variable, half the bits puts it into a different variable, and then decodes that, sets that. And then like we basically do the same thing again for the other part, but let's just test this, I suppose. So don't be scared, it's gonna be dark for a second there. Till Godot opens. Also, I've realized that like the newest version of Godot, like there was an update in Godot like a day ago or something, And it seems that version takes longer to like reopen stuff, which is, or like to open the debugger, which is kind of weird. Why is my cam not showing? Why is my... What? Hello? Oh. I think the reason my cam is not showing is because I made a mistake. And the debugger sends over 1000 error messages already. Well. Like that image of that. Oh. Wait, let me just switch to like the old scene. Wait, fuck. Here. So, yeah. So the mistake I made is that the decode image is like my function, and then like takes a pack by the array, and then like tries to. Yeah, not great. Let me actually split it into 4 parts. Wait, wait. Does it have like a split? Dodo split array into equal parts. I just realized while writing that I think I know what I mean. Or like how to do it. Parts, image, parts, equal for I in range 4. Dot append that. But like instead of 0 we have I times that basically. Instead of that we have I plus 1, I plus y. Why is my plus not doing anything? Okay, interesting. Why is my plus button not doing anything? What the fuck? 1. Oh, times. Like this. Then width divided by 2, height divided by 2. Not that that doesn't matter. Oh, wait. Our image. Okay. Let's run that. So what I expect that to do is like slice it into 4 strips probably. So like the dimensions are wrong, but like it should show something. It should show something. Let's see. What are we looking like? We're looking like 500 error messages. Expected image data of that. Got a different amount of bytes. We got twice the amount of bytes instead. Oh. Well, it should be divided by 4. Okay. Also, I always have to restart the Python script whenever I restart the Godot script, because it's not like, because I didn't implement like reconnecting or anything. Also, I need to wait until Godot thing is open. Okay, so that looks terrible, but I think it might. What the fuck is it doing? What the fuck is happening? I'm not sure. Like that. Wait, that is my shirt. The thing a bit further is like my wardrobe, and we have my shirt again. Okay, I mean it is sort of working. It is doing something. I'm not sure what it's doing, but it's doing something. Yeah, I'll just send it. So rent name shape. Is there like a dot shape thing? Wait, I have the array thing open. Shape size. Will insert size. Size returns the number of elements in the array. Godot array shape. That's not entirely what I want. Like if I have a 2D array. Wait, do I have it? I might have to like. Wait, what does deep do? I don't know. Okay, I think I need to change it so the step thing. Okay, let's think about this. So we have like an image. Now we are sending the bytes for this part, then the bytes for this part, then the bytes for this part, and so on. Now, what we want is basically we want to have the image. We split it into 2 parts like this and 2 parts like this. But that's okay. That's weird because we want these. But like here, we want to stop here. And like this one continues like here. And like all of these are like just one long list in the end. How the hell do I slice that? I mean, the current thing might not be that wrong.
Just put it on a texture and use half of it. Or
That's
something
also
I don't know, I don't do game dev.
Yeah, that could work. Wait, can I split? Can I just split images and wait? Probably. Not quite what I mean. That's C sharp. Okay, wait, let me... Let's look up that thing. What do we have? I mean, there has to be like something like... Split it. Get format, get height, get size. Okay, so there's probably like sets for all of that as well. Save, set data, set pixel, shrink. Hey, wait. That is exactly what I want to do. That is not what I want to do. With an Atlas texture. That's probably not what I want. GD script. Draw texture rect, draw only. Wait, draw texture rect. Texture rect. Okay. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. Because I'm pretty sure we used it somewhere as well. Texture is image texture that, but wait, image texture probably has like the thing in here. Resize the texture to the specific thing. No. I think it's not quite what I need. What can we do with image? Have I checked that before? Yes, I have. Oh, crop. Well. Let's test that. Wait, right. Crop is probably the way we go. any arguments for append call? What? Oh, because okay, never mind. Cannot get return value of call to crop because it returns a void. So this image dot let's see what happens now. What would I assume? I would assume to like see just like 1/4. Ideally I would see 1/4 of like the image, but I don't think that'll actually happen. One, because it already failed. Oh, because we don't have that. Did I test it? Oh, start that. Okay, that's the same abomination as before. Did crop though? Wait, can I like update that live? Wait, if I throw that on my second screen. Oh, right, I forgot. Yeah, the new Godot version is a bit weird sometimes. I comment that out and save. Does it update it live? It tries to and then immediately fails. Okay, but let's leave that in here for now and do that. What if I take every 4th byte? No, that doesn't make sense, right? No. I need to, okay, what I need to do is I need to convert this list into like a 2D list like that. And then like slice like this. Okay, before I think about cropping, let's do that. Let's ask our good friend DeepSeek. In GT script, I have a pack byte array with how many elements was it? Elements. Representing an image. Now I want to use only the bottom left right quarter of the image. How do I do that? Actually, let's rewrite that question. Actually, wait, I might need to go in here. That is handled like this. Process. I mean, okay, no, I don't need to paste it in there. Better than so let's see if DeepSeek can figure it out. DeepSeek thinks quite a long time. Hmm. That looks reasonable. What does it do exactly? Right quarter, okay. Y in range height, okay. Oh, okay. So what it's doing is it's going like from the wherever we start to like the height. And for each one of that, it just takes the data, like the slices, until we hit the like length. So frame data dot slice row start index plus quarter width times 3. Yes, okay. That makes sense. I might just write that myself though. And I'll also not throw it into the decode image function, I'll throw it in here. Or oh, wait, I need to write dot new, right? I mean, wait. This should do, right? Instead of that, we go I. Okay, so we created an empty array for the image parts that consists of like 4 arrays. And then we want to fill each array. So we do that by going for... So we need start index and stop index. We need something like this. Okay, what I'm thinking currently is, so we have like an image related like this. So basically we are looping, like this is the first quadrant, second, third, and fourth, with these indexes in the loop. And then I want to go and say like the start x for this one is 0, start y for this one is 0, probably, something like that. We'll see. either 0 or half. Or like, I don't know if like this is 0 or this is 0. Doesn't matter. Man, I'm just talking and not making sense today. I mean, generally, like always. But anyways, then like for each element, we loop from the height, the end height, and do the like thingy, like splitting up the packages up until the... Wait, actually not splitting up the packages, just like taking one of them out and appending it. So for J in range. No, not for J in range. Wait. We do it kind of like this. Start height. Actually, yeah, for J in range. Now the start thingy is dependent on which quarter we are in. It should be I that 2 times Wait, no, that's why. Okay, wait. So the labeling would be like this. Hey, thanks for the follow. Whatever that was just now. Wait, I don't have my OBS open. I don't see your name either way. RZX 502, I think, is what it said. Thanks for the follow. Hope you have a good time here.
What does FAQQ mean in your bio?
FAQQ, it means FAQ, and then like frequently asked question, and then like the question. It's the formatting is like really
Is it like
terrible.
FUKKYOUQ?
No. It is. Wait, I don't have my... Why do I not have my stream open? Didn't I have that? Didn't I open it before? Did it crash as well?
It sounds like it.
Oof. Yeah. Basically what you're referring to is this, FAQ. Yeah, I couldn't like put an enter here, and so like what it's saying is FAQ, and then like the question, why is your profile pic a badly drawn tape here? And then here's the answer. Why isn't yours? Yeah. That's all there is to it. I couldn't add an enter after the FAQ. And then like the Q says this is the question. That's all there is to it. But yeah, thanks for the follow. Right. I was going for this.
Nerds jokes LOL.
Of course. Yeah. So my idea here was if the yeah, if the rest of like divided by 2 is 0, then we are at the top and we're starting with 0. Otherwise we are down here and starting there. So like times height divided by 2. And then image parts I dot append, and we do current frame dot slice.
You use Blender?
Yes, I do use Blender for this thing. I've recently started to use Blender a little bit, not a lot, but like I made very basic models of like a monitor and a desk here, and also something else that I cannot show yet.
Damn.
Yeah, not a lot. It's very basic. That's basically like a couple of cubes with like different dimensions. Yes, it does look ass, but like it's good enough. It's good enough for a version 0.1, basically, and that's what it is. Now, image parts. We slice it by going. Wait, it was. What was it exactly? Row start index plus quarter width times 3. Right. So the start index is y, which is wait, I should
Pro tip: use subdivision surface mod when using Blender.
what
It
does
makes
it do?
life as
Subdivision surface mod. What does it do? Like it just subdivides the surface? But like what do I use it for? Y times start index. Like wait. With
you use it for everything.
plus. Why is my plus button not working? Oh, because I set that in. Oh, right. Also, you don't see anything in. Whoops. Wait, give me a second. Oh, I messed up in. Ah, okay. I messed up on the TikTok stream. Sorry about that. Wait, I can fix that. And delete camera source is required? What the fuck is that? Display capture. Like this one. Right. Camera source is required. What the fuck? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now at least it's visible. Where was I before I got distracted once again? You use it for everything. Okay. No clue about Blender. I just know like very basic modeling thing. Like slap together a couple of cubes and call it a thing. Yeah. So the idea I had, I got distracted again. Yeah. Planet slice width plus right. I remember why I opened TikTok Studio. It was because I wanted to remove the hotkey on plus, which hides my camera, which isn't there anyways. Because otherwise it like overrides a thingy. How do I remove the hotkey? Where is the hotkey even? Mute, unmute. No. Camera. Ah, here. There we go. Perfect. Now, can I now use plus again? I can. Perfect. Width plus. I forgot. What was the formula? Width plus start x, which is width divided by 2 plus something, or like times something. Like 2. Or like, let's do int of I divided by 2. That's width divided by 2. Okay. Now that is complicated stuff. Also, I think I'm missing a bracket there, right? Oh, yeah. Bracket at the end times 3. Close that bracket. And open the second one here. So that's the end thing. Start index and start index plus quarter width. Let me just copy paste it in here so I don't have to tap in and out again. So, row start index. And let me also That's where we start, is y times width times that, like with a modifier, times 3. And where do we end? Oh, plus quarter width, which is just... Wait, what? Why do I need to roast that? Oh, okay. Okay, let me... Yeah, I should have just like done that from the start. Like this. Why do I think I'm smarter than an LLM? For that. Oh god. Sorry. Oh my god. TikTok is so obnoxious. What the fuck is this? Why does it jump scare me? Just for fun.
Awake.
Sorry. Sorry. I don't know why it does that. I'll need to figure it out before the next time. But like, it just fucking jump scares me if like my TikTok live thingy, like if I don't click into that thing, it'll just say, okay, solve a captcha or I'm ending your stream in 5 minutes. Why? What the fuck is that? Who thought that was a good idea? Like genuinely. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, then... Do I need start Y for anything? Oh yeah, for the loop.
It's TikTok. I don't think there are good ideas.
Yeah, fair enough. Okay, let's see. That should now take... I think that should be complete now. Let's test it out. So, the idea behind that is, now it should like take the upper like quarter of whatever I'm sending it and setting the images to that. So, there we are. Oh, it is already frozen. Append expected 1 argument. So why? What? Oh, I can't do append. I need to do append array. And underscore array. This, wait, that. That's where I fucked up there. Also, wait, isn't like TikTok Live like actively being monitored for like swear words and stuff? Why am I still live? I'm pretty sure I said fuck before. Then we expected 1 argument. How many did it get? Okay. Var temp equal that. So let's run that so I can see whether or not that should have the correct shape or like whether it receives what I think it should be. Why is there a comma? Oh. Guys. Oh. Wrong bracket. Like this. Well, that would cause a problem like that. Let's just click into the TikTok thing every now and then, so it doesn't jump scare me again. So, if I now go in here, run that. We are receiving frames. We are not showing frames though. Oh, debugger is getting wild. Decode image, expected of size. That got 0 bytes instead. That's not great. Why is it getting 0 bytes? Okay, let's just set a breakpoint there. And run it again. And then we'll see what it receives. That's right, I have learned to use debuggers. I can't be stopped anymore. So, breakpoint, okay. Stack trace. What do we have here? How did we even get in here already? It feels like it shouldn't have received everything yet. What's current frame? Null. Oh, that's not great. Oh, no wait, it is... No, it still shouldn't be null. Oh, wait. What's image parts? Array size 4, okay. Ah. I mean, I feel like the numbers are still off, but like, not as terrible. Also, I don't need that. Wait, it should be like 1.5 million or something. Yeah. Why is that like 200k? Range size is that. Leaves bytes. That's just like 1 million something. Why does it get in here? If that... Oh, we get in 1. Oh wait, that's right. Oh yeah, that doesn't matter. Euro times that. Oh. For that in range. Ah, okay. So what I did there is I said for y in range 0 for like the even ones, like for 0 and 2. So like it never even gets in here. But that is wrong. It should always be for y in range that. Except, why needs to be scaled if we are even? Hmm. Yeah, it always needs to be by 2. Then we need to scale it. How are we using Y? Only there. Y times Word. Hmm. Hmm. So is it that? Wait. Row start. Y times. So it might be 0. Oh no. That is wrong. Y plus something, maybe? Wait, Y times width plus. Okay, I know what the deal is. Plus I that times width height divided by 2. So what that does is we always go like the Y variable goes through like half the image, and the row start will be either 0 to half the image or 1 or like half the image to the rest. I think that fixed it now. We will see though. So okay, no crash yet, but like we didn't do anything so far. And there's the, oh no wait, that's a breakpoint, not a crash. Oh. Next breakpoint, still not a crash. And that looks way better. Still confused by the size, but let's just accept it for now. Okay, I think I need to restart it though, because like it doesn't quite behave well when I do add breakpoints because I'm running stuff on different threads. And it doesn't like that if you like stop one thread for a while the other one is still running. So debugger still throwing errors left and right. Back that of size that with 1 million something. Okay, got 200k something instead. Not great. Let's just check if the frame size is correct. So why do I have the same thing like 4 times in a row? What the fuck? Ah, because I didn't have shuffle on. Thing. I did send something that already crashed, I suppose. Okay, so it receives the correct thing. 6 million something. Why is that like... Wait, what's the ratio between that? Divided by 259,200. 6. Why is it receiving a sixth of what it's supposed to? Hmm? Let's go back to printing stuff. That's fine. Let's just see if we go through all of the lines. Because if that is the case, then it means we don't take enough of the rows. It's either one of those. That rhymed. I cannot click into Godot. Oh god. I think I just crashed Godot. Okay. Time to reopen Godot. How the fuck did I just... Oh. It crashed because it printed too much, I think. Hmm. Yeah, it doesn't like doing that. Yeah, I might just do it again. But I'll like close it quicker. Okay, that should be enough. Goes all the way to 539. Is that half of something? Yeah, half of 1080. So that's correct in the Y dimension. Oops. So let's see if we take enough of a slice out of it. $480. That is not correct, I think. We need 920 divided by 2 is like 960. Like twice that amount. Oh, width divided by 4. Okay, fix the problem. Now it's gonna work. Trust. No problem at all. And giving 23 frames and receiving 100 something messages in the debugger. Expected. Oh, so I increased it by 2, but like that's not enough. Oh, I forgot the times 3. Yeah, that's just divided by 3. Go start plus width, and I think that should be times 3. Wait. Yeah, that should be it. Now it's gonna work. First try or something like that. And there we go. First try. Still. Oh god. I panicked and closed it. I'm not sure if it was working. I don't think it was working. So, okay. Get the debugger open. Not receiving anything yet. Not receiving anything yet. Why is it not receiving anything? Oh, well, it is stuck. What? I'm confused. Got past. Why would it get stuck from that? Okay, it's stuck again. Oh my god, my mouse. It does not get past that. That's weird. Start, then oh, I think I need to only multiply that, right? Wait, what does that thing do? Quarter width times 3. Yeah, I think, okay. I think I found the solution. Now, brackets. Open the brackets here, open the brackets here. Don't need to open the bracket here, I think. Close to here. Should be fine now. Okay, so what happened there is I tried to like get way more data out of a thingy than there was in it. Which is not great. Hey, that looks like a quarter of what it got. Nice. Okay. That looks actually very good. Wait, am I sending just my cam? I am sending just my cam. Okay, so if we now change
Just
that...
put your head in the top left. Easy.
That's the idea, actually. Wait, so I can get rid of that now that I did the like super funny reveal thing. Change the transform of...
Oh lol,
this,
then well
that.
done.
Yeah. So transform. Edit transform. We want to have... Oh wait, that is cropped. Why is this cropped? I think it's fine if I don't... Ah, shit. No, why did I press enter? I'm incompetent. So, I think it's fine if I remove all of the crop here. Yep. That should be 1920 divided by 2, so 960. And that should be 540. There we go. And 0, 0 up there. Perfect. Then we copy that transform. We slap the same thing in here. Why is that bigger? I'm sorry, what? Oh, because the side... What? But I pasted it... Okay. 960 times 540. And position is 960. Like that. Then we copy that transform. And put it into the overlay as well. Perfect. Except that is incorrect. Why does Ace transform not work? What? Huh? Why is it not doing what it's supposed to? 960 and that was 540. Like that. Okay. So now that's what we're sending to Godot. What scene? This scene. Now if I run it again, the cam should be fine. Well, everything should show the cam. And then we just need to like take the second image and like throw that onto the screen. And then we're good. Perfect. There we go. Exactly what I wanted. Amazing. Now get rid of that. Whoops. Get rid of that print. What have I done? Oh. Get rid of that print. And texture rect. Now I need to attach that differently. Wait, how do I do that? Base screen thingy. Update it in here. Right, that was just thingy that I don't need anymore. Viewport get texture. Do I need to throw that into the second thing now? Or port 2 is equal that. Oh, like, wait, can I just copy paste? This. Base screen is that viewport 2. So I've made a bit of an oopsie here, I think. Like I sort of programmed it so like it takes care of all 4 of them. Except it doesn't. I need to somehow share the images with the like main script. Update it there. Wait, does this work if I put this in here? Let's comment it out. I throw this in here. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. How do I send it up there? I mean, what I could do... Whoops. That. Stream texture 2. Then... I'm not sure if that works, but I hope so. I go this dot texture is... And actually, instead of image, let's do this. With 1. Does that work? So that is now either my screen or fully black. Because I'm not sure which index is what. But like, if it's working, then the screen should show something else other than my face. It is not, in fact, working. Oh, it is. That is confusing. What? Why? Why is it doing that? I mean, I might have fucked something up. Wait. That's interesting. I grabbed the wrong window. Okay, no, that doesn't change anything. Okay, so we've got... Okay, so the code is wrong. Why did my second screen just turn off? Okay, it turned back on. What the fuck? Brand new error just dropped. Okay, but that is just like an issue. That is just like a small error, I think. Okay, but like, why does it set... Oh. Monitor screen gets that. Okay. If I run it again, it'll be the same thing, but like... The things will have the correct thing on them. Well, the webcam thing is gonna be correct. The screen thing is gonna have that weird thing on it. Okay, that's a good first step. Now I just need to like fix the cutoff thing, which seems to be like roughly in the middle. So I probably just got the formula wrong a little bit. In here. Like this formula. 3 times width divided by 2. And row start. Okay, I think this formula would be the wrong one. So with index 1, we have 1 here. Y times width. Yeah. Plus height divided by 2. Oh, times width. Yeah, that's the issue, I think. So it is y times width, so how far we are in the process, plus maybe half the width, half the height plus width, but like only for every second one. Yep. But like instead of, I think that's instead of that, which is where I tried to do that. Yeah, I think that needs to go. Wait. Include that here. It's either that or the thing I just deleted. But I think it's that. We'll see in a second. Start the thing. Black screen. That's good. That would be the one below. Wait, we can test that. If I go virtual cam. What can I throw in here? Just like a second face cam, I suppose. Nice. But that's that lower quadrant. Nice. If I now change the index, the 2 should... Wait, can I do that during runtime? Probably not. 2. And it's crashed. Okay. And you didn't see what I just did because I was editing stuff. Yeah. Anyways. That's not what I intended. Wait. Studio mode, virtual cam. Ah, so that was the first one. Ah, okay, so the formula is wrong. There it... Ah, it didn't take this width. Row start. Oh, yeah. Plus... Oh, the thing that I deleted just now. That was necessary. Because that says whether or not we start in the middle. And I just set it to, like, never start in the middle, which is wrong. Okay. So, nice! It is working! Okay, nice. Amazing. So now I can go and, like, say capture Godot only. Capture specific window. There we go. Wait, turn off studio mode. This. Nice. And there we go. We have the overlay. Set the same thing on TikTok side. Boom. There we go. Nice. It is working. Yeah, so that's the idea. Only problem is, yeah, the resolution is shit. Because it's like a quarter of the 1080.
CHSZA ein Viertel P Viewer son streamvo.com.
Shut the
Remove
fuck up.
space. Et DZC6
Then. So.
Stream boo.
Yeah. It's working. Yeah. Quality could be better. But that will be... Yeah.
Bro, nice.
Problematic to fix. If I... Wait. If I do this... And... stop the infinite loop. Is the quality better now? Wait, can I... projector. Is it like... Can you read what's on the monitor? Ah, the problem is... Wait. Oh my god. wait. Give me a second. There you go. You cannot read what's on the monitor. Yeah. Okay, so quality is gonna be a problem. Yeah. I mean, if I do that. If I do that, right? Yeah, you can read that. Not really from afar. But like I can just go really close if I want to, like, you know, show something. Also, I should like implement going up and down in the camera. But camera movement is something that I have some ideas for. We'll work on that. Now, okay, the thing is, because the way I implemented it, it is like kind of slow, and like that's why I can only do like 1080p at the maximum. Because like my idea was that I have like a 4K screen and then like have like 1080p here, 1080p here, 1080p here, 1080p here, and then like split it up. So like the cam would be 1080p, the monitor would be 1080p and everything. But that isn't possible because of that, like, you know, weird implementation. Yeah. So there could be ways around that, because what's the problem here is basically, yeah, 80% CPU, because like the way I'm doing this is like really inefficient. What I'm doing is, wait, why is Visual Studio like not fogging a lot of resources? Wait, what? Okay. And there's Task Manager freezing up my entire thing. One second. Ah, okay, because Python is...
Can you move closer
here.
to the screen? I can't see.
Yeah, wait, give me a second. Yeah. Oh my god, terrible. I mean, you can't see either way. But yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, but that up here says 80% roughly. And the thing is...
Nope. Perfectly clear now.
Perfectly clear, yeah. Wait, can I? If I... Oh, that doesn't zoom in. Can I zoom in? No. Doesn't matter. The point is, it is very inefficient. Godot is using 15% of my CPU. Python is using 8% as well. Because, like, rather than accessing the webcam directly, it is like sending it through Python and then like catching it up and like taking care of it in Godot as well, which is really, really inefficient. And so I should do something about that.
Oh lord, yeah, lol.
Yeah, the question is how, because like Godot does have like functionality for webcam, but like only in macOS and Linux, not on Windows. So whatever I want to do, I have to do myself.
Doesn't only one app have access to the camera at one time?
Yes, but that app is OBS, and like I'm using OBS virtual camera to like stream it into Python. Like basically OBS is sending like, wait, I can switch OBS to like show you what it's sending. Here. This...
Oh, is that what that thing is?
Yes, that is what that thing is. So wait, let me delete that. That is what is being sent with OBS virtual camera. And yeah, that's being sent. That's accessed in Python and then sent via TCP, and Godot catches that via TCP, which is really inefficient, and that is the problem. And ideally, I would like do that in like way bigger quality, so I can have like 8 1080p streams at once. And I have thoughts how it could be possible to do that. One of them would be to like go into the Godot source code and just implement a camera server for Windows. I feel like that's a couple of pay grades above my skill. So I don't know, maybe. Then another one would be, wait, what's it called? Go EV extension or something like that. Yeah, so Godot has like a system where you can like include C++ libraries into it somehow or something. I haven't looked into that a lot, but like maybe I could like throw CV2 instead of like running CV2 in Python, maybe run it in Godot and then like have one layer less of like stuff, something like that. A third option that I thought about is, instead of sending one camera stream here, just send 4 of them or something, but that would like fry my CPU, because right now, I mean, oh, never mind. I was about to say right now my CPU is at 80%, so we are fine. And then that's when my CPU is back to 100%. But yeah, at the moment, I think we might have some headroom and maybe something like that could work, but it would definitely be a temporary solution. Like that could work as long as we stay with 2 streams. Like one for the camera, one for the screen.
Do you have GPU acceleration used in OBS?
Yes, I do. In fact, here, using 40%. Why is the task manager always freezing my stuff? But yeah, I'm doing GPU encoding in OBS. Did it show that somewhere? I don't know. But yeah, it should be encoding on my GPU. Yeah. So that's kind of the problem. A third problem we have is that like the preview window like changes sizes depending on which monitor I have it on, and like if I have it on my main monitor, then like quality should in theory be better, but then yeah, this happens because like it's like repeating everything. Do I have the window projector? Yeah. Like I think that's a little bit better quality wise than compared to, wait, throwing it over here. Can edit it again. Okay, no, that looks pretty much the same. But like I have tested around with that yesterday, and like that should have like an impact on the quality, like depending on which monitor it is at, which ideally it would not be. Like ideally it would be a 1080p screen that's just being imported back into OBS. No matter like on which screen it is. Like yeah, because the problem basically is that my second screen is not 1080p. It's like, I don't know, I think less than 720p even. Yeah, and that's a problem. Because if you then like full screen something on it, then that will be less than 1080p. So like we have another like source of quality loss there, going out of Godot and like into OBS. It's like, wait. Right now, that readable? Okay, I can't really do that. Yeah, I wanted to test something there, but that what I wanted to test doesn't make sense because like, yeah. Yeah, but like I tested yesterday. Wait, I can test it. Did I? No, I did. I removed that. Fuck. Yeah, but basically what I tested was that like it is high quality if I put it in my main monitor, but then we have the recurring thing because it's capturing my main monitor. So that's not ideal either. Yeah, but that's something I'll have to solve. So yeah, basically that is something we have to check. Like, how do I like make the window always be full HD? And then like, how do I more directly access the camera rather than sending it through Python? Because that, if I can figure that out, it will definitely like make it way more performant and like allow bigger things, and then that will be a huge boost in like image quality and everything. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so that's also like what we're gonna work on the next couple of streams. When will I stream again is the question. Probably next week, and then like more regularly. Also, it's quite laggy. Yeah. So that's what's happening. And that's what we are gonna continue. And then like once we figure that out properly, then we can go and like add interesting stuff in here. Like basically throwing the overlay thing from here. Like throwing that oh god. No. I think the TikTok thing is about to jump scare us again. Not sure though. Did it? I don't know. No. But like the chat window just said something like, oh, be careful. We might shut down your stream. And I was like, oh shit, that's gonna be a chunk there in a second. But yeah, what was I talking about? Yeah, making stuff more interesting, like taking that overlay thing and like making it 3D and putting it somewhere into the map. And like also like instead of having a weird floating screen that like disappears when you go behind it for my camera, like make proper texture for that. Generally make this more interesting than just like a floating table with a monitor on it and a floating cam. Yeah. Also, wait, how out of sync am I? Quite a lot. Right? Wait. That was probably very out of sync. Yeah, so like synchronizing that is also a thing that, I mean, it's not really worth it as long as like the camera situation isn't figured out. Yeah, we will figure that out at some point. But yeah, I think I'll call it a day here, and we'll continue that sometime next week. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Try the Discord for like notifications when I'll stream.
Love.
Thank you. Yeah, I will do like more early warnings on the Discord compared to like writing, okay, I'm gonna stream in 10 minutes. Also, I think from next week on, I'll probably have like a regular stream schedule. Maybe. I'll try. But yeah. And then I'll also be able to like stream on YouTube at the same time and like have the VOD up immediately and stuff like that. Anyways, see you around until next week or something like that. Goodbye. Wait, where's my camera? There. I always forget because it's a different place on this setup. Anyways, goodbye.